Hello, hello, hello. It's Christine Trainer talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. Hope you're having an awesome day, my lovely friends. So, today, as I continue on with my ongoing series of tips and strategies in online marketing, I'm going to talk about today, which I have sort of observed along the past 2 years that I've been on online marketing, and I've learned some new things the past couple months and even further. I'm going to talk about building your friends list on Facebook, especially if you're a new marketer. Okay, so that being said, let's carry on to the next segment, shall we? Alrighty, ready, I'm back. What do you think? I'm actually in my sweetie's room. He has a couple of chairs, but this chair here, shall we say, is my kitty cat's sitting on it, so I let her enjoy the chair. So I'm sitting in this one, but I like the view of the window because it's a beautiful spot of where I am in the house. So I thought I'd sit in my sweetie's room. It's always good to change up your location because the next location in my next video will be probably in one simple area. But let's carry on, guys. So as I grab my paper, I want to really share today. I want to discuss ways you can cut back on the spammers, the people that really like to spam the heck out of you as you start to build your friends list, right? As you start to build your friends list, shall we say, as you start to build your friends list to become as a new marketer, or maybe even if you're a seasoned marketer and you want to build up your friendship to maybe 5,000 friends. And you want to make sure they're not people that are going to be spamming the heck out of you because there's a lot of people out there who do want to spam. Or there might be people that you're not quite sure in your niche. You want to have target audience, friends that you want to maybe, if you want to sell, but you remember this, you want to connect with people too. So the idea here I'm trying to share with you is 4 wonderful tips. Then I'm going to, shall we say, actually 5. I'm going to say 5 tips that's going to help you get a few or less spammers. I'm not saying they're gonna pop up, but they're gonna help you sort of avoid too many spammers. People that aren't exactly who they say they are, and they just want your business, or they want to sell, or they want to sign up. Okay, and this way you can weed them out a little bit. Help you as you start to build your friends on your friends list when you want yourself, when you're trying to attain new traffic to your page, right? So I thought I'd really share this, and they're very simple tips, guys. They're kind of common sense tips, especially when as a new marketer or a seasoned marketer, that you get tired of those people that you think are your friends, and they end up becoming your friends, and they're not friends after all. They're just somebody who just wants your business. And I don't like that, guys, because you want to connect with somebody. You don't want to bloody well start a business friendship to start with. I mean, it's okay, but start a friendship, a relationship with trust, right? So here's the first one. Don't accept the friendships right away, okay? Instead, why don't do this? Because don't be... when you see somebody who has, sometimes you'll have quite a few friends lists, okay? Maybe you'll have 10 or 15 or 20 friend requests, right? And you go through them and you go, don't just friend. Instead, the first thing you should do, because you want to do one thing only, and you want to go over to their page and examine who they are as a person. Is this somebody you want to be, who might be in your niche, a professional pretty close in the marketing world? Go over to the page. That's the first thing, okay? And number 2, how about this? Check out their cover photo. Is it a professional cover photo? Is it basically well done, simple to the point, stands out there with just a wonderful, shall we say, a wonderful quote that the person loves? Mm-hmm. Or is it all business with the business name on there, where instead of becoming friends, you'd rather just Google the business name and you'll check out the business too, right? That's a turn up to me. Or it could be a black face cover, and that's either somebody who's scamming or is not really real or fake, or somebody who's just doesn't know what the heck they're doing. They're not sure about marketing. Now, sometimes you might like a person with a nice beautiful place that looks really lovely, like maybe a scenery or something's nice, or maybe it's the beach, or maybe it's just a picture of family. That's cool. But if you're in the process of finding friends that are going to be in your niche or a nice target audience, or somebody you might want to become in business with you, you want to basically see more of a professional page, somebody that's professional, somebody who's looking to expand their list as well and be friends too. That's what you want to look for, not basically something that's not 100%. And you know it's not good. You yourself wouldn't want to become friends with them anyways, right? You want somebody who's going to be a leader as well as you, right? And number 2, check out their profile pic. More than likely, they're going to have a picture of animals or a place or a car or a vehicle. Nothing that's really too enticing to you. And if you don't see a picture of a person, who they are, the beautiful picture of who the person is, it doesn't attract you, right? It doesn't make you want to go, I don't want to be their friend. And that's a red light too, guys. That's a total red light. For me, it's a red light. I tell you that right now. So I thought I'd share that one as well, because to me, if the picture is nice, if they have a beautiful face, you're going, I like this person. I like their profile pic. I like the cover photo. Interesting. Now the third one is actually a pretty good one, guys, okay? The third one I really like because it sort of says it in itself. Go check out their timeline, okay? What kind of beautiful posts are they putting out? Are they posting? Is it sort of beautiful posts of value? Do they have their pictures of their family, themselves, their friends, maybe a beautiful value pic with maybe a beautiful sunset or a beach or some place they've been to. And they have a really nice caption or a beautiful, something they said really nice. That's wonderful, okay? As well as if they might show pictures of their family. That's sort of personable. I like that too, okay? Even if they have some nice quotes that they've shared and they sort of personalized it, that's wonderful too. That to me is somebody who wants to either who might be in your niche, or somebody who's in the marketing world that you want to become friends with, or somebody you can share and maybe sign up with, whatever the case may be. That's a better kind of person to be friends with. Not somebody who's going to put all business on their page. Somebody, especially I noticed it's Forex or Bitcoin. I noticed they really do an awful lot. So much business, like almost every post is business. To me, that's the turnoff, guys. Who wants to be friends with somebody all you see is their business page? All you see is business? Nah, it's not my big thing. Nah, I don't like it. So to me, if that's what you see, that's a turn off too. Now the fourth one I really like. You want to know why? Because it's to do with your bio. It's to do with the person's bio. If the person has really nice emojis on their bio and it's short and sweet and it's very, shall we say, has really nice written value to it, that I like. But if you just see not much of a bio and it's kind of not 100%, or it's basically saying not what you think is right to have friends with. Basically, sometimes they always say mother or father or loving mother, loving father, whatever it is, and they might say in the marketing, whatever it can be. If you see a good post, bio of value with some emojis, you know you're going to start a good friendship there. It says in itself, right? Now, that's actually the top 4, I would say. Now let's get to the 5th one, which is kind of like a one that I think is important. Once you accept the friendship, here's something that's interesting. Now you assume this person's okay. You've checked out you've done the top 4 of the criteria, and you've checked out their the cover photo. You checked out their profile picture. They've seen their timeline and their bio. Looks really wonderful. Then you decide to accept. And you start a conversation. You say, thank you for the friend request. You start a conversation. Here is something that's going to scare you a little bit. Either you start a conversation, the person talks to you back and says, yes, I'm glad to connect with you. But here's the kicker, guys. Here's what sort of throws you a little bit, okay? That's number 6, because the number 5 is basically now you accept the friendship, right? Now you're going to talk to them and have a conversation with them. Now we lead to number 6. What happens when you start talking to them? Even though you've done all the criteria, you talk to the person, you might get a sneaky old spammer anyways, giving you their spiel, which means their business message. And sometimes they don't stop when you say, no, thank you, I'm not interested. Let's start a conversation, be friends. More than likely, either they will block you and say, no, I'm business, and that's it. Or you yourself will end up having to unfriend. And you're going to end up having to unfriend and block. That's part of the life, guys. Like I said, the top 4 are 4 good tips, but sometimes you're going to get a sneaky one in between that had the right criteria, but you still end up getting a spammer, right? I know. That's okay, because you're weeding them out with the top 4 tips I shared with you. You're weeding them out to make sure you're not going to get too many spammers in there that are going to hit you with their best shot, so to speak, for their business. Then you have to. But I tell you this right now, I am in a platform where we're learning about building our friends list, because we like to build up to 5,000 to get a good amount of traffic to our page, right? And there is a particular tool that's really good called whoops, pardon me, I almost forgot the tool. Let me get to the next page. Simple Social Tool. Okay, you can Google it and you could upload it to your laptop or your desktop. That's fine. And what it does is it helps accumulate your friends right away. Now, I like it because you can actually weed out the friends when they become your friends. If these people get really businesslike, you can go to their page and you can check it out too. But what I love about this particular tool is you build up your friends a little quicker, and you meet a lot of people. And you actually, what's nice about this tool is you can unfriend a lot of people, weed out the people, and you can get rid of some people, and then you can add some new ones that are part of your niche. So it's an excellent tool, and I use that because this tool is excellent. I use the top 4 criteria, believe it or not, especially when I have friend requests, because I tell you. But when I also use this particular 4 criteria when I want to check out the friends that become my friends through a simple social tool, because you have to always do that. It takes time, but once you get the right friends in your target audience, you start, the first thing I know, and I've been taught to my mentor of Successful Solution Method, Amanda Rye, says this: people connect with people. All right, they don't connect with the business, they connect with the people. So with a simple social tool, you do have to unfriend a few people, because they're not exactly your criteria, like I shared you with it. But you will find some really nice ones, and they'll help build your friends list really well to help you connect with other people. Because remember, I also know it's the know and like and trust factor. You want to build friendships that last, and business friendships that last, not those that are going to just end up I want a sale, I want your sale, I want your sign up, and they don't want to build a friendship with you, right? So this is what I want to share with you today on how to build your friends list on Facebook, right? And it's important, guys. And I tell you what, with the platform I'm on, Successful Solution Method, we're taught quite a bit about it, building our friends list and using simple social tool to the right way, and really meeting people that are going to be enjoy your friendship, connect with you. So I thought that was a good thing to talk about today as I carry on and continue on with my tips and strategies on online marketing. Getting good friendships, building good friendships, connecting with people. So I hope you enjoyed my share today, as I love to give. I hope it was a good value to you. Also remember, guys, as you enjoy this video, jot down below in my description, I have Successful Solution Method link. Join our team. See the beauty of my Successful Solution Method team is. It's amazing. We're a beautiful community of people who are being taught the right way how to earn on Facebook. That's indeed. And of course, we have down below the Facebook group as well. Pop on over. Be a part of that beautiful community as well, so you can learn and grow and understand what Successful Solution Method is. And if you want more information, I am proud to share it with you as well. So my Facebook page link is down below as well. Come over, let's be friends, let's talk one-on-one as entrepreneurs we are. Let's grow and have a good friendship. Let's connect, right? So remember this, like and comment and share my video if you want. It's a good one. As well as subscribe to my channel. I love to see more subscribers checking out more of the information I have to share as well on tips and strategies in online marketing too. And don't forget to click the bell twice for the next notification of my next video as well, my lovely friends. So like I always like to say from now on, see you on the other side to success, my beautiful entrepreneurs, you.